You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. Yes, it's a word from French. The French pronunciation first, and then how you can easily say it in English. If you want to learn more fashion, French names, vocabulary, stay tuned. It's pronounced chignon. Chignon is the French pronunciation. In English, chignon. Chignon. The Americans say it as chignon. In French again, chignon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.